Thanks to good economic indicators and big market, Poland continues to be a target group for a number of foreign investors looking for further expansion and new investments. Looking at the current situation of retailers in Poland, huge expansion of leading chains is observed. It is especially evident in convenience stores and discounters, where leading chains such as Lewiatan, Żabka and Biedronka have over 2,000 outlets each. Although a number of new entrants and huge expansion of leading chains continues increasing, it doesn't mean there is no room for new entrants. Assuming that Poland is one of top 5 Eastern European countries with the highest number of outlets per person, acquisition seems to be the best strategy at the moment. This strategy has been already applied by Lithuanian Maximo Group, which overtook more than 20 Aldi stores in Poland in 2012. Another important transaction between retailers Auchan and Real is going to be finalized in 2013. Moreover, a leading discounter chain Biedronka, run by Portuguese company Jerónimo Martins, more than a decade ago entered Polish market through acquisition. Biedronka gained such a great popularity in Poland thanks to a unique offer of low-priced grocery and non-grocery items. It is worth to note that Poles are price-sensitive, thus discounters concept is well accepted. A good example of it is Pepco, Kik and Chibo chains operating in variety stores, offering a wide range of small-value items. Taking into consideration forecasted GDP growth of 4% over the next 5 years and high number of outlets per person, it is expected that a number of acquisitions, as well as a number of new unique concepts in retailing in Poland, is going to increase noticeably.